Here I will explain about modes and types of interpreting. The first is mode. Mode is the way in which translation is done directly. Modes interpreting includes consecutive, usually done in a small meeting. The interpreter is visible. There is a pause in every sentence, and usually the interpreter carries a small note. Second is simultaneous interpreting, usually held for a large meeting or conference. The third is whispered interpreting, is a form of simultaneous interpreting, which is usually used for a small group meeting and done in a quiet voice. The fourth is side interpreting. The source text is a document, and the interpreter translates the document, usually used in a business meeting or court. And then move in the type interpreting. There is a conference. Conference use a meeting or a conference where the participants speak different languages, can be conducted using consecutive or simultaneous interpreting. Next is escort interpreting, is a type of consecutive interpreting which is usually used for a small informal setting. It helps the client during the trips. Next is liaison or bilateral interpreting. The interpreter translates two or more parties into languages. The interpreter acts as a mediator who translates each participant's speech. Next is telephone interpreter. Actually, a bilateral interpreter interpreting which use telephone as a media. This is very advantageous for emergency needs. Help doctor to communicate with the patient in another language. Next is telephone interpreter. Common type for interpreting in mainland Europe. Next is video conference interpreter. Make uses of internet technology. This remote interpreting activity enable participants to have an online face-to-face meeting. Next is community. Take place in community-based setting situation. The interpreter must work for a particular community. The last is court interpreter. Usually work with lawyers, witnesses, or defendants.